Hi everyone, this is Saurabh, and in this video I'll be telling you how you can make some fast cash online with your dead leads. So you may be asking, what are dead leads? So dead leads are the email addresses which you already have and you haven't contacted them for quite some time. So I'll be giving you 3-step process which, if you follow step by step correctly, I'm sure you'll be able to generate some cash out of your dead leads. And please make sure to watch this video to the end, as I'll be also giving you my free email templates which you can use to contact your leads. So the very first step which you need to take is you need to gather all your leads and import them into an autoresponder. And I highly recommend using Aweber as your autoresponder. You can use any of the autoresponder, but I recommend Aweber as it has got a lot many features which can help you build your email list. So just have a look at the Aweber homepage and you can see the features right here. Email newsletters, you can automatically create emails from your newest blog post. It has also got a drag and drop editor, HTML templates which can make your emails look very neat and clean and beautiful, automation, tagging, split testing, and there is whole lot of things you can do with Aweber. So I'll give a link to Aweber in the description down below so you can just check it out. So if you're thinking, why do you have to import the leads into an autoresponder? Well, the reason being, the leads turn into sales, and sales eventually means dollars. That's what you're looking for. So now the second step which you need to take is you need to search around for what's about to launch in your niche. So it doesn't matter which niche you are into. If you're into health niche, make money online niche, there is always a place where the upcoming launches of different products in that niche are being advertised, are being shown. So for this video purpose, I'm going to take an example of make money online niche. That is my niche. So what I usually do is I go over to muncheye.com. That's the place where all the upcoming launches are being shown. And what you need to do is just pick up one of the product and make sure to choose a product which is like 7 to 10 days ahead. So let's say you're gonna pick up this Profit Radar from Samuel Chima. So you need to just click it, and then you need to find the JV page to get the affiliate link. So just go over to the JV page, and on this JV page you will get all the information about how to get your affiliate link for that particular product. As you can see here, in order to get the affiliate link, it's taking me to Warrior Plus, and from here I can request the affiliate link. First of all, I need to sign in. As you can see, from here I can request the approval to get the affiliate link. So now once you have the affiliate link for a product which you are going to promote to your dead list, what you need to do is you need to plan a 3-day email campaign for this product that you just selected. So how you can do that? You just need to send your list 5 emails. So the first email which you're going to send, it's going to be sent 8 to 10 hours before the launch, letting your leads know what's coming. The second email which you'll be sending is 90 minutes before the launch. So the third email which you'll be sending is at launch time. The fourth will be 5 to 6 hours after launch. Fifth will be 12 to 14 hours after launch. So you may be asking, okay, Saurabh, that's all well and good, but how do I write those emails? From where do I get the content? Usually the email swipes are provided by the product owner. They're usually there on the JV page or in the promo tools. So you can use those emails, but to make your life easier, I'm going to give you my email templates which you can use. So these are my email templates. So the email 1, it has got the different subject line which you can choose. There's a body of the email. Then we have the email 2, email 3, email 4, 5. So you can get all these email templates. I'll give you a link in the description below from where you can just get these email templates for free. So you can just tweak these emails slightly and then send it over to your list. The best thing is my email templates, they're gonna work in any niche. As I told you, you just have to make some modifications here and there. So guys, this is my formula which I personally use to make money out of my dead leads. So you can also try these steps and I'm sure you will also make some money. If you have any question about any of the steps, or if you need any more information, just let me know in the comments down below and I'll be more than happy to answer them. So guys, thank you very much, all the best, and I'll see you in the next video.